In this video, I will show you step by step how to make the caption shake in CapCut. So if you want to add shaking style for your caption in CapCut, let me show you step by step how to do it. First step, after you generate the caption like this, so now you select all your caption, you highlight it. After you highlight all the caption, the next thing to do, you go to this option. Under this option, you go to animation. After you go to the animation, then you go to this loop. After you go to the loop section, so scroll to down. So under the loop, these are different caption style that you have to use, or if you want to use them on your video. So let's scroll to down and choose, let's say this one, or let's scroll to down and choose the and find the rotate shake. So here is the shake. So if you want to use this shake, just click on it. After you click on it, as you can see, here is how it will look. So if you don't want the speed to, if you want to reduce the speed, you can click on this and change the speed. So now let's play the video. So as you can see now, if you don't want this one, you can just scroll to down and choose any style or any animation for your CapCut. So you can choose this one, this one, this one. So these are different style. You can go through all of them and choose the one that you want to use. Anyone that you want to use, just you can click on it to show you the preview how it will looks on your caption before you go to the export video section. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.